In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications over here. Then select App Notifications at the top and select All at the top left corner of this section. Then sort your notifications by clicking on one of those options. I will go with Most Frequent Ones. Now, by tapping on blue switcher next to any app you want, you can block all notifications from it. To switch them back on, hit the same no gray switcher. If you want to, you can also select any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!